Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Jeff Porcaro's legendary Mushanga groove by Toto. If you'd like to download the transcription that you see in this lesson, I made a complete PDF. It's a 4-page PDF that I've titled Porcaro's Groove Book, and it's a transcription of everything, all the grooves that Jeff plays in this original DVD clip that I was just playing along with. So the Mushanga transcription is on the 3rd page towards the bottom. It's the last example that Jeff plays in the straight grooves example of the lesson. So we're going to break down just Mushanga in this video. So get ready, and also if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because a lot of people who watch my channel are not subscribed. So please subscribe to the channel. All right, Mushanga. This groove sounds incredible. It is so mesmerizing, basically, when you watch Jeff play it. And the sticking is not that hard. The tricky bit, in my opinion, is orchestrating the pattern across the drum set. So the pattern is just a triple paradiddle, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. Then a single hit with the left hand that's going to be our backbeat on beat 3 of the measure. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left. And then we're going to play a paradiddle diddle. Right, left, right, right, left, left. Right, left, right, right, left, left. So the entire sticking pattern for the Mushanga groove sounds like this. 3E and a 4E and a paradiddle left, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle left, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle left, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle left, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, bop, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, bop, paradiddle diddle. All right, that's the sound of it. And the orchestration is the tricky bit. So Jeff has 3 rack toms, right? So it's a bit easier to play this when everything's all out in front of you. My 3 toms are 2 racks and a floor, so I'm going to be trying to get the same sound. But essentially, you're doing a descending tom melody for the duration of the triple paradiddle. Paradiddle. On the diddle, the double hit with the right hand, you're going to try and catch the rim of one of the toms as the final stroke. That's the hard part. If you just play the triple paradiddle into the backbeat on the snare drum with the left hand on beat 3, it's like paradiddle bop, and try to put some movement into it, some shape to it. Don't play all the notes static, and it's not going to sound that great. It needs to have a little bit of dynamic flow to it. Okay, and then the next phrase is the paradiddle diddle, which is right, left, right, right, left, left. That's going to be played right hand on the tom rim, left hand on the hi-hat. Now you'll notice there's an open hi-hat indicated on the transcription. Jeff does play this most of the time, as far as I can hear. It's definitely an embellishment on top of the pattern, so start without the open hi-hat if you find it too challenging, and just play the paradiddle diddle only. So just the hand pattern without the kick drum really slowly would sound like this. 2E and a 3E and a 4. A little faster. 1, 2, Mushanga, just the hands. You saw I messed up one time in there. The orchestration of it is so tricky. You have to kind of work at it slowly, and then just almost get just in the zone where you're not really thinking about it. And truthfully, it doesn't matter if you do the exact same descending tom pattern each time. I think in full speed, I personally tend to skip down to the floor tom pretty early on in that phrase of the triple paradiddle, but it's kind of up to you. All right, so next, let's try to add the quarter note pulse on the kick drum with that. So no open hi-hat. We're not going to be hitting the ride cymbal or anything at the beginning of the groove yet. We're just going to play the just the hand pattern, no open hi-hat, but adding the kick drum. So here it is, nice and slow. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3, here we go. So that's Mushanga, very slow. Okay, now we're going to add in every other bar. We're going to just practice playing a right hand hit on the ride cymbal. This happens a lot throughout the song, and it's a good skill to be able to get to the cymbal as the starting note for the measure. So we're going to do that every other measure, and we're also going to try and add in the open hi-hat on the first left-hand stroke of the paradiddle diddle. So that would sound like this, nice and slow. 2 E and a 3 E, here we go. Okay, now that we've got the whole groove, let's start it slow and gradually increase in tempo. All right, here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E, here we go. Okay, now some of the fills that Jeff plays in the clip you watched, what makes the fills so great is he keeps the kick drum quarter pulse happening. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. It's like flam, tom-tom kick, left-right kick. So 1, 2, 3, triplet 4, and triplet 4, and you're just kind of throwing those left-hand strokes in right before the kick. The left-right on the tom. And the kick drum pulse never stops. If you play the groove alternating with the fill, it sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. The other fill that Jeff plays in the opening of the lick, it's like a Mike Portnoy style right, left, kick, kick. This is a nice phrase because you're playing 6 hits per beat, and your right hand is landing on the start of every beat. So it's like, so it's just right, left, kick, kick, right. All right, so let's play the groove kind of alternating with those fills so you can get some practice with that. The actual track Mushanga, it is a little slower than Jeff plays in this instructional clip, so that's a good thing. And it's basically just this groove the entire time. What makes it sound even better in the recording is there's a ton of percussion layered on top of it, which just helps give it that really groovy feel and just drives the beat forward more. But all right, here we go. Mushanga, full groove with the drum fills. So here we go. 1 E into 2 E into 3, 4. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Make sure to click the link in the description to download the full PDF that I've titled Porcaro's Groove Book. It's a 4-page PDF. It's a free download. All right, all you have to do is enter your email. So click that in the link, the description of this video, okay? And also make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss new videos. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.